how to fix this error on Valorant. Easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. First, all you need to do, just type here. First, just type here Windows Update Settings. Now click check for updates. Make sure to install all the updates that you can find here, and after that go back and then go to Windows Security. Wait, you will find it like that, and then just turn on virus and threat protection. If you find it disabled, just turn it on, and then go to manage settings and click add or remove exclusions. Yes, add an exclusion file, and now you need to find Riot Games folder, and once you're here, go to Valorant live shooter game binaries Win64, and here's it, Valorant Win64 shipping. Click on it, double click on it, and then that's it. Wait, now just open services and make sure it's automatic. Wait, go to VGC, right click on it and go to properties, and here's it, make sure it's automatic and click apply and okay. That's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.